Your social media feed is a constant parade of impossible transformations. You see someone with severely cracked heels. Then a sleek handheld device glides across their skin. In a literal flash of light, their feet are smooth and perfect. It looks like a miracle in a box. But the truth behind these viral beauty tools is far messier than the glossy videos suggest. If you have been eyeing that popular silk exfoliation tool lately, you need to hold on. There are massive red flags buried in the fine print. Let's look at the logistics first. You see a great price. You see a flashy website. You hit buy. Then you wait. And you wait some more. Reports from current users show that shipping times are a total gamble. People are waiting 3 or 4 weeks for a package to arrive. These companies often hide the fact that they are shipping from international hubs. They do not disclose these hurdles at the checkout. You think it is coming from down the street. It is actually coming from halfway across the world. While you wait, you might notice something strange about their pricing. Every time you visit the site, there is a massive sale. It says it is a limited time offer. There is a clock ticking down. This is a total psychological trick. It is designed to force you into a quick sale. They want to stop you from thinking clearly. They want to prevent you from doing your own research. If you refresh the page tomorrow, that same sale will be there. It is a permanent fixture of their business model. Then there is the actual safety of the device itself. These tools use high-speed grinding heads. They are high-powered machines. If you have a medical condition like diabetes, this tool is genuinely dangerous. The ads show feet transforming in seconds. In the real world, that kind of speed causes friction burns. It causes micro tears in the skin. A single mistake can lead to an infection. It is not a spa treatment. It is a high-speed abrasive tool that requires extreme caution. Even if you use it safely, you might hit a dead end. These devices rely on replacement rollers. We have seen a pattern where these rollers are constantly out of stock. Once your first head wears out, the device is useless. It becomes a very expensive paperweight sitting in your bathroom drawer. You cannot even get your money back easily. Their refund policy is a trap. They might agree to a refund, but then they tell you that you must pay for international return shipping. Often that shipping label costs more than the refund itself. It is a system designed to make you give up. They keep your money. You keep a product that does not work or has no parts. You have to look past the high production value of the ads. Do not let a polished video clip dictate your healthcare choices. Always talk to a professional before you use high-powered tools on your body. Stay skeptical and keep your guard up when a deal looks this perfect. A savvy consumer looks for real reviews. They look for transparency. This brand fails on both counts. They rely on impulse and flashy editing. They count on you being blinded by the polished video clips. Do your homework before you hand over your credit card details to a brand that hides its location. Your skin and your wallet will thank you for the extra caution. Your feet deserve better than a rushed purchase from an Instagram ad. Stay smart and stay safe out there.